Hi, this is Gina at Art of Skincare. I wanted to share with you that I'm one of those people who, when I go and work out, I turn beet bright red. And whenever I start to do one of these videos, I start to turn bright red. I'm already starting to do it. And so I just have that kind of skin type that turns pink, it gets hot. I'm 57 and I'm still getting hot flashes. So I'll get a hot flash a lot of times when I start making a video, or just periodically throughout the day I'll have a hot flash. And I want to share with you today one of the products that I love if your skin just tends to get hot. Now, for those of us who get hot flashes or have that kind of hot skin reaction, there's some not so pleasant things that come with that. One of the things is that you're more prone to hyperpigmentation, because hyperpigmentation is an inflammation response. When we have that little bit of an inflammation response, my dark spots along here tend to get a bit darker. I also, though, know that it is also a good thing. It means that I have more blood supply to my face. That means my skin is healthier. Toxins are moving through faster. So we can look at both sides of it. But there is a product that I love to use. I keep a bottle of it on my desk, and it's right here. This is Rhonda Allison's Blushed Wine Gel. This is a super cooling gel. It has aloe vera in it, butcher's broom, all kinds of things that just really calm the skin. It also has a really pleasant, light, fresh grape scent to it from the grape seed extract in there. And it also has a little tiny bit of a sparkle to it. It's not like a glitter sparkle, it's just a little bit of a gleam. So halfway through the day, if my skin's looking a little tired, I'm not seeing that glow that I like to see on my skin, then I will take some of this and just pump a little bit in my fingers. It has a really pleasant light pink color. Warm it in the fingertips, and then I just pat it on. You can put this right over your makeup, over sunscreen. It just feels great, looks great. It's a wonderful pick-me-up. Now, this product comes in 2 different sizes. I'm going to show you here. The small size is what I like to keep on my desk. This larger one I keep next to the sink, and that's what I put on in the morning time. I use this as a finisher after everything else is on. I'm going to put a little bit of this on, and I'm going to spritz with some cucumber hydration mist. Just love a really dewy, glowy look on my skin. Now, one thing I want to show you is that Rhonda Allison now has many different kinds of packaging, and Blushed Wine Gel comes in 2 different packagings. You can just barely make it out here. This one is Pigmentation Solutions. This one is Pro Youth. So this one has a pretty kind of a reflective, peachy colored label. This one has a pretty gray, silvery label. This is the exact same bottle, exact same product in these bottles. So you can choose whichever bottle that you like. It doesn't matter at all which you do. So this is the large size. This is the small size. And it's a fabulous product. I love to add this to my routine, especially in the summertime. Even though there's more, can be more humidity in the air, especially if you're in a really moist climate. Our skin still tends to get a bit dehydrated from the sun exposure, from the air conditioning going all day, and putting a little bit of this on top of your skin throughout the day just makes your skin feel better, gives it extra antioxidant protection, helps protect you from the blue light that you get from looking at your devices or being on the computer all day. So I hope you will check this product out. If you have any questions about it, just check in with us on the live chat, and Madeline or Shannon will be really happy to share with you their experiences with this product. Have a great day.